Hello guys, it's me again. Long time no see you guys. Because in this day I must from the deadline and I cannot work on the iSPA CMS. So today I have some rich time. So let's get started about develop the iSPA CMS. In the last time in this day I have some change on my mind about the foreign key in on the other tables. So I think I will reset on the foreign key here by the normally column name. So I have the table and with the integer here, so with the type ID and the non-label here, and we remove this section for type ID. And the next is this the table integer here, so the parent ID and the non-label again. So I will remove this and I will remove this status for only the status. And then we have the password, that again the password. With the user ID and file job. Okay, with the personal access token. This is the audit log and the user ID here again. We copy that and remove this, and the permission and the run table here. I remove this, and the next is here. Will we remove this again? Maybe we remove this because we have the scene function, the scene function name, synchronize function name here in the model eloquent. It's too noisy here. So we have the run ID and then we have the permission ID. And I have to remove this again. The next here is the user's ID and the run ID. Okay, I will remove this. And next is the language. So we remove the status foreign, and then we rerun this migration. So I will open the the Docker here. So and then we have iSPA CMS and the terminal as the iSPA resource migrate and fresh with the seeder. Okay, I have to save for 15 here so we can see it clearly. And then we have the localhost what is the port? 80 81. That's it. MySQL, and we have the root, the password, and the example app. So we check for the run here with the structure. Okay, we don't have any primary key, foreign key here, so that's enough. And the next is the resource. The resource response for this section. And why we have the resource? Why we need the resource? Because resource is simply to customize your API response. So I need to create some resource, and then we have the users resource. For we need to create some resource with the terminal here, and I will increase the size for you guys. It's easy to view. The first resource is the account. So we have to create the iSPA register here and make resource with the account / account resource. We have the account detail or overview account, so we just need account resource, and then we have the account resource here, and we move this to the accounts response here, and maybe we return this in the new accounts resource with the user, and then we go here. Here is we return the array JSON serializable and arrayable. Then we have to return this resource here with the user IDs. Resource, that's it. Maybe that, and the name and the email here. And what about the runs? What about the runs? With runs with the S and the level here. So we have the level, and we have the type, and we have the run with the with this when loaded run, and runs here, and we have trainer resource run resource, and we have the permissions with the when log the run, yeah, with the permission resource. We will create this resource later, so first we need to return this, and then we have this the account resource with the account, yeah. So we try to get this maybe we have the accounts here, so we have to check it. What should we check? So I have we need to log in first. iSPA.io here. Okay, and we have the account here with the name, email, level, and the type. We don't have the run in the remission here because the run not loaded. So the next is about more information. We have to open the runs here and get the runs. This belong to many, so the resource here. Maybe we do it later. So first we need to get the runs and have the resource. We process to create a new resource about the run resource and account. We have the run inside the account, so we need to create a run resource, and the same for the permission resource. That's all. Then we keep going to create a run resource here. Account and copy this and reply to this. Okay, import this class and the run again. Okay, with the run resource we have about the ID, this resource and ID, and we have the name, and we have the permission with the permission collection when load the permission, and account resource we have the run resource collection. Yep, that's it, and remove this. So what is the permission here? We have the ID and the name and the key name. What about the permission? So we need to check it. Get the prop and the name and the title. So what about the permission here? We have the group and the name. We've joined together. So this is the key name. Maybe that. Okay, we have the name, dot, and dot. This is the ref here. Is it right? Yeah, the ref and the name. We have joined this into the key name, and maybe we need to the root name here for so we can edit or delete it later, and we reload this to get the account. So ID, name, email, label, and type, and the account controller we have user. We need to set the users here, and the users lot and run and permissions, and then we have this and retry it. There is it. We have the run, and we have the permission, and we have the key in here. That's it. Wow, we have the permission. And we need to return it. That's it. Next, we have to get the user or the setting and the enumerate type. Well, we have to do too much things about this layout, because this layout is too ugly. So maybe we will try to refactor this today or something. We have the account resource here and the permissions, permission resource with the collection here and permission and the account collection. Okay, that's it. Enumerate type. I think I will to create a new enumerate. So we have to create the enumerate. Is it the enumerate slash enumerate type, and then we have the enumerate only, and we need to paste in here. So we need to create enumerate collections with the tag collection, and then we have the enumerate type collections again. That's it. Maybe that. Okay, we have new files here. Again we have to create a new collection. Resource collection. Decision is alive. Okay. And here again. And here again. And the last one. Now we have the resource type enumerate. Yeah, we have the ID the name and the key name. So what is type here? The name and the key name. Yep, that's it. And the type collection, we have this is an items. Yep, the items with the inner type resource with the collection is this collection. So we can do this by this, and this is the data, and we have the pagina with the page with the current page is this current page. I want to use the snack case here or the camera case here with the current page. Okay, why we use this? We should use this, right? Maybe we should use this session with the key name here. Okay, and run. Okay, element type resource here with the name, key name, current page, and we have the class page and per page and the totals and current page, per page, last page, total. We have another. Wow. What will we have? So maybe we need only that. And next is the enumerate resource. Before we proceed to the enumerate resource, we have to write an account resource and enumerate collection, enumerate type. And now we open the enumerate type controllers, and the first is the index here. New enumerate type collection with the data. In the module here we have the page. No, we have the per page, but it requires input per page. And we go here to page size with the per page, and where the page size again, where the page size here and here and here and here. Okay, that's it, and we will see what happened. Yeah, we have the data, current page, last page, per page, and total. So we have to try to trace sums with the name is the status and the key name, again the status. Got it. And we have the data here with the name and the key name. Okay, and now we need to edit in the interface of the modules here. We have the conguess with the per page, and we replace all of this fewer with the query here, and we have the data here with the data dot total. What data include with the currents here. So we need to check the rest of the data and dot the data here. So what it is, log, and log it. Well, there we have a fraud, and we cannot comments up. Where is... I see. I know it. This is the problem with the L table of the enumerate type managed here. The L table. Where is L table? Yeah, that's it. This is the big problem with the enumerate type and data. So we need to remove this and just only here. That's it. I don't know why about the element plus table. Why this is have the problem. So next we have the raise to the dot data and the data, and we log this. We have the undefined here, and we have the object here, abstract class in .ts 62. Okay, and this is the data and the last page and the per page and total. So we have to check it, and maybe this working normally. Okay, it's working normally. And next I have to train user status. Okay, again, that's it. And we have to set the latest. Latest is true. Type. So what we have to debug here, elegant type repository abstract in line 142. We have here with the 142 here. Type, this is string. What we should use type, right? I see. Maybe we use here the instant of what is instant constant of, right? equal string. Is it right? I forgot this type of. What is type of? Match description. Get type description. No, this is not the type of here. Instant. Okay, a string, and this is a string. Here we have this, and then we have this. Okay, yeah, that's it. Is it right? Yeah, it's right. So we don't need to do something too much bigger. Then we have to this is the enumerate type collection and the enumerate type control resource here. So we have the resource. Is it right? I don't know, but we can check it. About reload it, and it's working normally, so it's right for the resource. I should check my font. So next is refactor this layout. This is the bigger than I have, so maybe I will do this in the next time. Today I will continue to create enumerate type and enumerate resource. Maybe this collection and this resource. Let's see. And the enumerate resource, we have to maybe that or maybe not. You need to check the enumerate. Here the name alias enum key and enum key, right? The name alias here and here. The type with the tidy, we don't need it. And the input type, what is the input type? and iSPA input type and iSPA. Enumerate type resource. This resource type no, or is maybe we don't need this, or maybe this is reloaded. We have the this when loaded with the type, maybe that. Okay. Yeah, that's right. And then we have input type. I'm so tired. Input type and we have the iSPA. Yep, that's it. And the last one is the status. Here is the status. That's it. Okay. And then we have the enumerate type here with the index. Yeah. No. That's not the app response. Press here and return app response. Well, we update this and we have the user with the content here. Out user. Okay. Here the rest no permission. Okay. Well, we have change no, and the rest here. Now we have the model and no, and the data is this to model to the get here, and we have the request. Well, the get enumerate request. Get enumerate request with the request here, and there is it. So we have the data, we return the data with the new enumerate collections. That's it. Yep. Update the doc here and import enumerate. Update the doc here. No. Update the BP doc here. Remove this. That's it. I will check about the file with the store here, the store functions. Token can this is the enumerate type dot create and remove this. and we have the trace with no permissions. That's it. We have the model with the get model and fill the request here. Is it right? I don't know. In the beginning transaction and commit it, and we have to export the data here when we create a new or update new new data for the theater can import it. So I will create a command PSP resign. Wow. Make comment, and maybe this is the export DB. What is the export DB? Maybe the export database table. Okay, maybe that. So we have to go to controls here and go here, and we have the iSPA dot export DB with the table. Export data from a table to .svl file to be imported to migration seeder. Okay, and that's it. And we have the handle here with the what? No. Declare return type is 014, and we just only export some tables, so we have to allow export it. Table list equal ism. So we have the enumerate one, and the next is the enumerate type. Wow, tables enumerate, and we have the tables enumerate type. To SVL here, and we have the table with the language. Tables with the permissions. And did we have the permission here? No, maybe not, because permission goes with the serial here. The run, no, we don't need, and maybe we will update it later. We have the table here, and we have here if generate here, and we return it. Okay, next is the export with the command export table. So we will write this with the file name table dot this, and the command will be MySQL dump here with the user equal maybe that, so we need to check it with the password and with the hot, and we have the database here, and with the table slide to the name here. Here exec here, the command here, and this export successfully. So we try to trade as with the file name here will be the base part, and we have a database with a sys. Is it the seeders and slash SVL, and the file name okay, table. Hope this will working. So we have here BSB or register here iSPA dot export db, and enumerate type. I will export it table with the run name, so this will return the error here. It will write, yep, table not allowed to export. That's it. And now we have is it right, the name table? Yeah, that's right. Enter it. Well, what's wrong with this? Enumerate types. Okay, and now we check with the constant table here. Enumerate type. Oh no, oh, this not, because this here the s in the last one. Export successfully. This is cannot create database with the serial with the SVL type. Directory non-exist. I see, because the directory non-exist, so we need to create the create the directory here. So we have the 5 verify system and create make directory here. Let's see the database box. Okay, we have the database box, so we remove this again, and we have the sisters here with the SVL, and that is the make directory. This is it right? Import the class. Wow, so maybe that's okay, that's it. And then we try again, access denied. You need at least one of the process privileges for its operation when trying to the table space. Use password. The command line interface can be read insecure, so we have to add some tag here. Maybe no create info and skip trigger. Let me check again. Yep, this is still access denied. Process village for this operation will try to do table space. Maybe I have to edit this username in the root, maybe that, and try it again. Yeah, it's working. And now we check about the seeders for directory here, and there is it. We have the enumerate type and the user status here. So that's it, and we need to create the seeder here to import the DB when we run the migration with the seeder. So we have to create a new seeder, right? What is the seeder command we need to run? Clear that, and we have the iSPA design make seeder with the enumerate type table seed. Yep, and then we have enumerate type seed. In this table we have the with the part database seeder. Oh wow. And then DB with the unprepared, the file get content and backed, and it comment and info here. Right, title set it. Okay, and database here. So we have to the enumerate type table set. That's it. And now try to run the migrate phrase again. The iSPA resign here and migrate phrase. See it? Yeah, it's working, and we need to check about DB here. So we have the enumerate type 2 here with that's it. Okay. It's working. So and when we update when we create or update the enumerate type, we need to run the command. So we have the return, yeah, with the command and iSPA dot export db and dot the table enumerate type. That's it. What is it with the con? Yeah, that's it. And where is the update here? And yeah, so we proceed to log in again, right? We need to log in again. What's wrong with this? This is not remove the token. So wow, there's a big bug here. Well, I need to fix it. Where is the token with the account and the agent coin here? Local storage clear, and we have the cookie. I think we need to store the cookie token inside the no, we have to store the token inside the cookie, and we need to use the other cookie function. Well, what the cookie we will use? Let me research some things. With the cookie here, we have I need to create a new file with the cookies. .ts, and this is you the will use again, right? View card. This is not instantly use card. View, yeah, we use with the card. So we have to view use .org, and we have the stage here, and we have the use cookie. Alright, that's it. So we need to install the universal cookie package, and then where the package we need to install. So we have the iSPA here with the terminal here, nice, and we have the npm, right? Yan. Okay, this is the yan at see with the universal cookie. No. PNPM not found the PNPM, so we use the npm with the class D. Okay, added 3 packages, and then we have the universal cookie. That's it. Okay, maybe I need to rerun this, restart it again. And then with the cookie, first I will import the use cookie. No, from the we'll use here the integration so with the use cookie. Okay, it's working. And now we have the comes with the cookies. Use this cookie here. Use the cookie. Use this cookie here. So we have to set the cookie key. Export cons cookie key equal let me see the cookie key here. The cookie key will base on not v plus to something, maybe let to the domain here. And no, the domain, let's see, maybe here. This is the domain here, and we have the version, and maybe the app name. No, we don't need the app name. We have the here minus plus with the domain and replace we will replace this flip on. Yep. Here 2 0 with the cookie key here. I have to import this into here. Yep. And then we have the comes with the cookie config equal we have the part the pay part base part, and we have the domain here. API domain and domain and maybe export. Nope. With export is local. No, we failed the cons. That's it with the local here. So we have to maybe http / c https. Okay, that's it. With the domain, this is only the domain here, and export cost domain URL equal this plus domain here, and we have only the domain here. Sorry. Oh no, this should be that, and we will remove this. This is API domain here, and here is the domain. Reuse the iterations. Well, maybe we need to install the reuse iterations. So we have to go here with the terminal here, pass npm i/d reuse iteration. Then we've well, is it working? With the domain here, the localhost here, with the base part here. So I will to cookie with the domain. Okay. Yep. And domain URL with the domain, where is it? API part. Okay, with the domain here, and I will have this secure is local, and the last one is the same site with the last. That's it. And export const cookie equal here we have the get and the key with the default value. If the const value will be cookie get the cookie config. Yeah. If type of the value is undefined, yeah, so we need to set the cookie set key with the value default use cookie, and then return the return value. Then we have return the value mouse, and here the key and the string here, and the probably see any. Next is the set. Key string, and yeah, that's it, we had it. And the next is the remove the key, and the last one is the get on cookie. Return cookie get on with the cookie config. That's it. And now we go to the sign in here to check the token value. We remove this, we don't use this. We have the cookie dot get the token here and import it. Import cookie from there's a config for the cookie. Yep, we found the token here, so we don't need to the value here. And that's it, right? The next is the client or the app. We have import so import cookie in the cookie here. Then we comes with the token with the cookie get token, and this maybe we have import sign in from the out with the sign viewed, and sign in. Yep, that's it. If with the token maybe that, and else. So we check it. Reloading. That's it. So we have to check about the accounts will logging, account will logging or not, and the router. So we have to import the route here. Use router, routes or router. Use route. Here, that's it. And here it comes route equal use route, and this is not in rate about includes with the route name, and is known here maybe that. And we have the route. We have the route with the signing and the forgot and order signing, and it is the what is where is it navigation reset. First we have two of this, yeah, sell this and see what happened. So we have the sign here. I see. With the API paste part with the API here, API domain here, and where is the API domain? App domain here and API domain here. So we have to this again. I see here, and see what happened with this. Well, with the localhost, is it right? No, it is HTTPS. The dev. Include here. That's it. No, what happened with this? Is local, is not here. HTTPS here and remove this. That is right. Yeah. Okay. There is it. And now we need to refactor about the sign-in template here. Well, out. Flanks with the min wife. What about these? What about out the sign here? Space. I see and I see. Okay. Maybe we will refactor this outside this and copy this again here and here and cut this to the route. Cut this again and paste here. So Okay, that's it. Put it out here. We don't need to, we have to the flex column. Yep, and return this URL. So we have to move this section into the center. MX error. Yep, that's it. And we have the py here, so we need to pp here, and let this is a p top child. Okay, and now we're going to log in again to set the token inside the cookie. Okay, iSPA.io. Can't accept particularly token is known. Well, where the sign here, what is the token value? Yep. So this is, we have to set the cookie, set the token here, and remove this. That's it. With the account value here, we have to do this. Okay, and in the agent current here, and we get the token, we import the token, import the cookie here, and token get. That's it. No token with the value, just only the token. And if this have the import here, we need to token remove the token here. Yep, and again showing token have been rejected for invalid domain. Okay, maybe this working. Token have been rejected for invalid domain. Maybe we have the domain here with something wrong. F domain, here, and etc here. Maybe because the port. So yeah, this is because the port. Here Malaysian here iSPA.io, and don't sell. Yeah, that's it. Okay, we have to enumerate type with this, and how can we edit it? No, we create new we create a new we have the user status and status, and maybe we have the post status or something else. Post status. Yep. Send in. What's wrong with this? Really cannot be made with the 0 here, there. Oh, oops. Status or status, and again. Well, what's wrong? Oh, I see. Is it because the API part here, API domain here? Okay. Why is it in localhost here? Is it working? iSPA CMS 1 terminal here. iSPA CMS at the localhost. What's wrong with this? Well, it's HTTP localhost. Is working normally, so this not working. Why this not working? Maybe I restart this connection and try it again. There is it, because Docker has something wrong. So we try it again. Submit. No cookie with the token here. Well, status. I see. Let me see about this. Let me check it. Why it's not working normally? No, it's not this bug. Maybe because this one. Yeah, because this one, because this addition corn here. I see. Maybe I need to sell with the password with the root. Okay, and then we have to try this again. And here we need to relocate it. Okay, now post status, submit. It happened again. Okay, maybe it's not working normally. So DB host, maybe this is the okay, maybe that not create info. Just escape trigger. Maybe that. So we have to enumerate controller, enumerate type, and we have to call it again. Post status. Hopefully it's working. I'm trying to connect. I see. Because the connection of the this here. So when we set it by the MySQL here, we cannot connect to the exactly MySQL DB. So maybe we will fix this later, but the export DB is working normally. So this is too much time here, and I think I will stop this. So thanks again for following me, for you guys to follow with me until this day. Thank you and good